If you're experiencing login issues with Bellwether Community Credit Union, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check your username and password for any typos. Make sure that your caps lock is off and that you are entering the correct information. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Reset your password. If you've forgotten your password or continue to have issues, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Bellwether Community Credit Union's customer support for assistance. They can help you resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.